Yo, what is good, everybody? Round two. So how we doing tonight? How was the rest of your trading session? I know there was only like a few minutes left when I finished the stream. What's up, Kelly, Romeo? My football. Music is a little distracting. Okay. All right. I think we're good now. I know, Team Massive. You can blame Mason for that. You can blame Mock for that. He scheduled the stream, and yeah, September 111th is pretty good, huh? Pretty good. No, it's pretty good. I see we have not done a thing since we opened up. So, did we ever get a sell-off at the end of the day? I wasn't even really watching. Not really. Just kind of been hanging out in the same area. All right, it looks like we opened up with a little gap up. It already filled. So we're probably heading to the top side. The intro always gets you fired up, Team. Yeah, it's a good intro. It's nice. What's up, His Royal Trades? How are ya? Yeah, guys, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. I have a feeling tonight might be a slow stream. I have a feeling the market might be incredibly slow. ES trading right below 6,600. NQ trading slightly below previous all-time highs. I mean, just ever so slightly. This is previous all-time highs right here. Just above, so what is this? Like 68, 69, 24,069. What's up, Sid? How are ya? Let's see what's going on the DOM. There we go. Those orders are still sitting up there around 160, 150, 160. I have a feeling that this is the target for any topside move. Z, I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I ate some food, rested up a little bit, and now we're back for round two. Sorry, I'm just getting settled back into the desk. NQ kind of pissed you off today, Limitless? Yeah, it's, I mean, it has just been, it's been hard this week. I'm right there with you. What's up, Vij? How are ya? What's up, Z? Time for gold. Gold looks like it might be taking the turn to the downside. Gold looks like it might be taking a turn to the downside. Hey, what's up, Top Dog? How are ya? We are going to trade. What are we going to trade? I think I'm going to trade the Take Profit Trader account if I do catch a trade. So I'll probably flip over to this chart. If I decide to catch a trade. Looks like the kelp mid held here on the test. Yeah, Vij, I mean, gold definitely looks like it's turning to the downside. You got central pivot, or we're sitting right on central pivot right now. I mean, what would you guys call it? Bear flag setup? So I guess you'd be waiting for a break above the top. If you're liking longs, shorts, you've got a shelf here right at 36.54-ish, 36.55. What's up, Chuck? How are ya? All right, we got 74 people in here right now. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. I appreciate you. What's up, Yazan? How are you? Hopefully you guys caught the stream earlier for the Take Profit Trader giveaway. Congratulations to Alexi for winning that free 50K account from Take Profit Trader. Alexi, if you're here, congrats. All right, we got 83 people in right now. Man, the globex streams, guys, I'm not going to lie, the numbers jump up way faster than the regular trading hours streams. So now, after watching today's regular trading hours stream, do you guys see why I stream during globex? Out of curiosity. I mean, it's just such a different vibe. No, Kelly, not giving away another account tonight. Not giving away another one tonight. Don't have any more accounts to give away right now. But we should have some to give away pretty soon. Pretty soon. Hey, thanks for the sub, Derek. Appreciate you. Sorry, guys. I'm still getting settled in here. There's all these different tabs and things that I have to get going for these streams. And when I'm scrambling last minute, it takes me a minute to get settled in. So if I go quiet, that's what I'm doing. All right. Yeah, Kelly, the Nightbot was off. The Nightbot was off. Asian session, not spam. Yeah. Yeah, running on empty. I think a large part of it is, like, I've tried the streaming during New York session, and you just aren't going to compete for like views or anything like that with the big guys, right? Like, even if you go during the afternoon, would you tune into my stream, or would you tune into 0 Day J to see him losing his mind, right? Like, and during the mornings, you're competing with the guys who have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. What's up, Pieter? More exciting barcodes brought to you by Wes. I know. Hand in the air. Way in the air, actually, Top Dog. It is when I go live. It is when I go live that the market decides it's just going to go like this. I mean, put it this way. Oh, Jennifer, you joined me for Power Hour? Thanks. I mean, I was live during Power Hour today, actually. And we could barely crack. I mean, put it this way. We have as many people in here right now, not even 10 minutes after I've gone live, as we had nearly the entire stream earlier today. And we were live for like 2 hours. A little over 2 hours. I don't even know. We'll see. Oh, Limitless. Who is 0 Day J? Limitless, go ahead and give him a search. A lot of people like watching 0 Day J. What's up, Doug? How are you? Nice little sell-off there. I know, Top Dog. Like I said, I watched a couple trades come back on me big time today, guys. I mean, I could have had probably a, like a 5K day. Instead, I walked away with very, very little. Like a quarter of that. Ricky, the emotional trade, you'd say? Oh, good football tonight, Doug? Yeah, I won't be able to watch till I get off stream. But I'll tune in for the fourth quarter, probably. Who is it? Commanders and Packers? Is that who's playing tonight? I'm sure there's some college games on as well. I'm not opposed to a pullback. I'm with you guys. I am not opposed to any kind of pullback at all. I mean, you've got central pivot down here at 967. That would be a good spot. If we can get there. I guess my way in, I guess my way out, Father of Legends. Is that what Zero Day J says? I mean, from what I've heard, right? I've never tuned into one of his streams because I don't really watch trading streamers at all. Is he kind of gambles a little bit? But I've also heard he just rifles through accounts. But to his credit, I've also heard he's very honest. So that's a good thing. Kelly, Zero Day J. All right, we got almost 100 people in here. Thanks for tuning in tonight, guys. I appreciate you. I hope you guys are making money tonight. Joel, you just got word from your quant. We should all short 10 minis. I mean, it looks like a short right now. What are the orders like on gold, Ricky? I'm not sure. I don't have a gold dom up. I guess I could pull one up quick. Let me see. Sorry, I don't trade gold ever, so I'm a little... Let's see. All right, give me a second here. Let me see what we got going on. Looks like on gold, actually, interest is to the downside. Not Not quite sure why, but it looks like to the downside. Are you short on gold? You're short from 76. Yeah, I'd be looking at like this 650 area, 653, 654, somewhere in there. Like we said, this top, this high. And you're short from 76, so you're short from just above this. Yeah, I mean, I would probably be break even on my stop if you're asking me, but I think this is probably the eventual target. All right, you're hanging out below central pivot at this point. I'd probably watch this area at 64, 665. Man, everything is really slow tonight, huh? Gotta love all-time high trading, guys. Gotta love it. All right, guys, if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. I would appreciate it. What'd you guys eat for dinner? If it is dinner time. Let me know. We had all that food talk earlier. I was hungry. Oh, Kelly, I'm with you. I'm with you. I would definitely lock in profits on any short position on gold if I had them. So Limitless, here's another one of my rules. These major psych levels, I don't like operating anywhere remotely close to them. Because you just get a lot of back and forth usually. No, Doug, I didn't. I didn't. After all that breakfast talk, I did not. I did not do it. Yeah, these major psych levels, 24K, 23K, I don't like operating around them. Things just get really messy. I've done it before, and I'm not a huge fan of it. I mean, you've had multiple bounces here at 24K, though, today. All right, you had one bounce. You had multiple tests to get below it and haven't been able to get back below it since we broke above. All right, 108 people in here right now. Francois, let's do it. Let's trade near all-time highs. The problem is like I've been that person that's tried to short at near all-time highs, and I always get wrecked. Do you guys have success shorting near all-time highs? I always just get slowly bleed out. Oh, you thought because of all the bounces I would have tried? No, I was long from 980 earlier. I was long from 980. On this little break and retest. But I didn't lock in profits. Came down right here on this candle and grabbed my stop. So I watched all of this happen. And then it rolled over and came back and grabbed my stop. Sat in that trade forever, too. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 5, 60, 5, 70, 5, 80, 5, 90, 5, 1, 2. So 2 hours I was in that trade and came out with like $300. Oh, so dumb. You're gonna send me where you got in and started pyramiding for the day, Limitless? What? Typical hourly rate. I know, Francois. That's that trader perspective that I think we all lose, right? It's $150 an hour. You know, like that was $150 an hour. It's because sometimes we make thousands in, you know, in 30 seconds. You know, with everything that's going on in the world today, guys, it totally slipped my mind that today is actually 9/11. Completely slipped my mind. If gold is straddling the pivot at this time of day, isn't it best to look for a reversal? I'm not sure, Tux. I don't really watch gold a whole lot. Oh, geez, Limitless. You really are. You really are just layering in, huh? I know, Tux. I know they all watch. We got a lot of gold traders in the chat. A lot of gold traders. Which is kind of crazy because I don't trade gold. I mean, I'll look at it from time to time and give my technical analysis, but I don't really trade it. There, that's enough gold out of me. No, you can talk gold all you want. Oh, let's go eat something. Yeah, of course. If you haven't eaten all day, go eat something. Yeah, Kelly, I mean, it moves. I'm not comfortable. I just have never traded it. And the couple times that I have traded it, it seems like you can get wrecked really fast. Like you can actually blow accounts really quickly if it goes against you. Oh gosh, are we gonna do this? True, Tux. It's true. I mean, that's a true statement. Okay, are we just going to go sideways here? I mean, if we're gonna do that, I'll just wait till it gets to the top and then I'll short. Jesse Livermore? Who's Jesse Livermore? answer is yes, West Curse. I know, guys. Every single time I stream. When I first started streaming during globex, though, this wasn't happening, right? We were getting good movement. There was one night was it last week, that there was really good movement? And I just missed 2 entries that were pretty good. So I didn't catch a trade. Jesse Livermore is the stock operator? Confession of a stock operator. I'm going to have to look him up. WC, my day was, it was okay. It was frustrating. Livermore, the main character of Reminiscence of a Stock Operator? No, Knox. The indicator that you see... I'm not trying a new strategy at all. The indicator that you see on the screen is that Glizzy Clipper. That's an indicator designed by my friend Banana Bread Trades. It's a play on mean reversion. I just happen to have it on my Take Profit Trader account charts. So that's why you see it there. That's a 200 period moving average on the 1 minute right here in the middle that we're kind of just chopping back and forth across. It's a Keltner channel. You know, the outer bands of the Keltner channel are to the top and bottom side here. And then he's got his expected range. In other words, his sell area and his buy area is down below. Same thing with the indicator. It's kind of like, it's an oscillator, kind of like MACD or RSI, overbought, oversold, but it's based on harmonic wave patterns. And then it will give a print when all criteria is met, kind of like this. And the play is that when you get a print, you take the long back into the Kelt mid. James, it's Banana Bread Trades on YouTube. Really good dude. Really good guy. So basically what you need on this indicator is you need the momentum indicator to be either above or below 70 for overbought, oversold. You need price to be either touching or outside the Keltner channel upper band or lower band. And you need price also to be in between the expected range levels here. There's obviously times where it gives, you know, nasty prints. Normally during times of high volatility or news events. But even here it played. You guys can kind of see the prints on NQ. Harrison, you have the indicator? Nice. Nice, yeah. No, Goose, he's a really good trader. He's a mean reversion trader. So he and I are a little bit different as far as what we're looking for, but one of the better traders that I know. Stealth Trader, no, it's not a free indicator. It's not free. But it's not super pricey either. How much is the Glizzy? There's a $4 or $5 at my local store right now. Yeah, I mean... he's got a notifications channel so that when it prints, it pings your phone through the Discord. I think that's like, I don't know, $6 a month or something like that. And then the indicator's a one-time fee. I want to say it's $60. But that's a lifetime. That's a lifetime purchase. James, I talked to him a few weeks ago about it, and he said he's having problems getting the code to match up on TradingView. Like, he has it available on TradingView, but not to the public because it's giving bad signals, and he can't get the calculations to line up correctly. So currently the most reliable version is on, I think he has it on Sierra Charts, and he has it on Quantower. But I think he's only selling the Quantower one to the public right now. From what I understand. But I haven't talked to him in, I don't know, probably about a week. So I'm not sure. There you go, Tux. Okay, Glizzy is $50 a month, $50 flat for the lifetime. Notifications are $6.90 a month. Okay, so $7 a month. Yeah, I mean, you guys can tell the indicator. I mean, it's a great indicator, right? Those prints are gold. Like this single print down here, well, I guess it printed twice, but this single print down here, I mean, that's a big trade. That's a 100+ point trade. Well, just like 90 point trade, an 80 point, yeah, like 90 point trade. Man, it looks like all the prints on NQ recently were hits. Top Dog, it works on Quantower. Yeah, it looks like all the prints recently were really good. I've definitely had times like this, right? High volatility move to the downside. You obviously aren't going to take all this. Even though it did reverse here at the bottom. This is kind of, when you see this much volatility, you kind of don't want to trade it. But yeah, all the prints recently were pretty good. All right, guys. Question for the night. Can we get to 3.4K subs tonight? We are currently on 3,386 subscribers. Can we get to that milestone, the 3.4K? Thought we were going to get there earlier with the account giveaway, but it just didn't happen. Didn't have enough people tuned in. Okay, did anybody catch the long down here? At 05 or 06, somewhere around there. Can we install a president of the USA that works? Oh, man. I know, CB, it's hard for me to trade right now. I'm gonna go back over to this chart. See what we're looking at. Yeah, volume's just kind of dead. I mean, each 5-minute candle's putting in about... This is the most volume that we've seen right now in these last 2 5-minute candles. But we're not even getting to 400 orders in a 5-minute stretch. Nathan, the indicator I'm talking about, there's... First and foremost, before you would even consider purchasing it, go to Banana Bread Trades on YouTube. He's got a full video that he talks about everything that he's designed into that he's coded into the indicator itself, and see if it's something that you'd be interested in. Secondly, I do have a link in the description down below all my videos that will take you to where you can purchase that account. At least with gold, a $1 move is $100. Maybe that's why it's so addictive. The settings for the chart at the right. This is just a 5-minute delta footprint chart. Is all this is. So basically the left column I have set to volume, total volume, and the right column I have set to, like on the right of the candle, I have it set to cumulative delta. What's up, Savvy? How are you? Harrison, can you look like pretty much next to where my camera is? These are what the settings look like. If you're trading on Quant Tower, it's the cluster tab. Yeah, Savvy, I've been good. You been trading? How you been trading, Savvy? Let me know. I know you're just getting back into it now after a pretty long break. Sorry, Harrison. Trying to show you all the settings for what I have. You mean 50% of the last swing? Oh man, I mean, I know I'm half tempted to short this. Right? You have the 30-minute opening range set, which is a whopping 17 points of price. Feel like it's tough to pull anything out of this market lately. But you're in green, so you can't complain. Yeah, that's all you can ask for, Savvy, especially after taking a break for a while. Oh, yeah, Savvy. If you stop trading at the beginning of all the tariff scare, yeah, of course there's less volatility now. There's still some volatility. There's still some good moves, but it's not what it was during all that tariff stuff. It's definitely a lot more muted. All right, guys, we are 13 subscribers shy of 3.4K. Let's see if we can get there tonight. I'd feel pretty good if we got there. Yeah, Savvy. I mean, but even like... Even if you're trading like gold or something like that, right? Like, look at this run up on gold. Like, are you actually kidding me here? This is the beginning of September. Top Dog, I have some quick Quant Tower setup videos. Actually, the guy that I was talking about that designed that indicator, he's got some really in-depth Quant Tower setup tutorials on his channel if you're interested. But mine's just quick setup, like to get you up and trading in a couple minutes. I don't have anything really in-depth on my channel, at least not yet. I gotta do some long-form content. I think that's the next pivot, guys. I might have to take a step back a night or two a week from the live streams and focus more on putting some other content out other than the live streams. I just don't have time. I feel like I have no time anymore. Yeah, Frey, Quant Tower is amazing. Like, if you're coming over from, like, Tradeovate or anything like that, you'll love Quant Tower. Yeah, Savvy, I have a Delta footprint chart. I've kind of always had it. I just never really show it. It's always there, though, just so I can see what actually got filled and where at what price. Yazan. I'm looking for price to get out of the middle of my two areas of interest. That's what I'm waiting for. You guys are much better at picking out the 10-point moves than I am. Make a video of me trading my market open to walk people through my thought process when pulling the trigger for an entry. I might as well stream that then, I guess, James. I'll be honest with you. When I'm sitting here trading by myself, I'm not verbally talking to myself. While trading, you know, I'm not saying, well, if price does this, then I'm going to do this. Can you imagine? Do you guys do that? Do you talk to yourselves when you're trading? Other than yelling at your monitors when the market's not doing what you want it to? Savvy, do you talk to yourself? When I'm trading, if I'm not on a call with somebody or streaming, I don't ever really talk to myself. I just sit here quietly. Not counting the yelling. No, you don't. Oh, man. I'm sure we all have had moments where we yell. Like, what is going on here? Why is this move happening? Like, 'cause some moves just seem like they were purposefully done to screw people over, right? It feels that way sometimes. You know, the move just makes no sense from where it was. Ooh, we're getting closer, guys. We got 11 more subscribers to go to 3.4K. So people are here tonight. Welcome all you new people, by the way. If you're new here, my name is Wes. I'm a full-time futures trader. I stream every globex session Sunday through Thursday starting at 7:45 p.m. Eastern. Welcome to the community. As long as you don't answer yourself is the key. You don't call everything out savvy, but you will say some stuff to reassure yourself not to do something stupid or impatient. Yeah. Martin, you hush up. You hush your mouth over there across the pond. What's up, Design Knob? Yeah, Design Knob. Hand in the air. When I'm live on stream, the market decides to die. It just decides to not move in the slightest. What I can't believe is that we're not chasing down all-time highs. And this definitely looks like a bull flag, right? if there's a liquidation break, all right, you'll tell me to go live. I mean, all-time highs is sitting not right there. Maybe I should go to a higher time frame chart to look at this, huh? Jack, yeah, it's untradeable. It chews you up. Yep. All right, there's all-time highs. Like, we're not far off of it. What's more astounding is we aren't trading around 19,000. Yeah, I mean, I would like a pullback to like 22K at least. At a minimum. Like, give us this move. Pull back to the daily 100. I mean, it's starting to point straight up. Come on and give us the pullback. Roll over already. The daily 20 is kind of starting to roll over. I know, Design Up. I think ES even pushed it today, too. ES definitely pushed it today. Right? Yeah, ES is at all-time highs as well. I mean, it does. We need a pullback. We need some sort of downside. These gaps down here that we never filled look juicy. These look like... I'll be honest with you though. I just want a really good reason to sink a bunch of money into my IRA. I'm not sinking a bunch of money into my IRA at 24K on the Nas. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Kidding me? Be dollar cost averaging for years to come? I mean, what are we supposed to do with this price action, guys? I mean, the minute I buy the bottom of this range is the minute that it snaps, right? The minute I short the top of the range is the minute that it pumps. I already know what's going to happen. So what do? Just place a, you know, like a straddle where you have a long entry above the range, a short entry below the range. No, Tux, I don't trade it. I have a personal trading account with EdgeClear. That's where I do all my like day trading and swing trading. What's up, Pedro? Yeah, double session today. Double session stream. You've been using John Carisco's quad stochastic strategy for scalps in these markets? All right. How many people we got in here right now? Looks like we got still over 100 people in here. Thanks for hanging out with me on the boring range chop night. I appreciate it. I'm surprised you guys are still at your desk, to be honest. Even gold's not really doing a whole lot right now. Savvy Bitcoin's moving. Yeah, Nox, I'm kind of with you. We'll see what happens at the turn of the hour. Maybe in like 15 minutes or so. Sometimes we get a little volume injection. What is 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock's like China Open, I think. Be careful. You think it will fill a 117K gap? Oh, you mean on Bitcoin? Okay. Who was it? Zen earlier said she was making all kinds of money on Bitcoin today. Or maybe it was on Ethereum. I can't remember. Holy cow, Kelly. Look at all those indicators. That's a lot to pay attention to. How do you keep track of all that? You're happy with volume profile on VWAP. I know. I don't know how people keep track of all the indicators on the charts. Like I've definitely seen people where you can't even see the candles anymore. There's so much going on their charts. I don't know how they're paying attention to price. It's so simple. Each has its own purpose. I mean, that's a lot going on. You got fib levels, you got ATR, you got a 20, 50, and 200 EMA, you got 4 stochastics, you got VWAP, and you got open, high, low, close from previous day. I mean, that's a lot going on. That is a lot going on. Martin, it's really easy. I don't have any. I don't have a lot either. I don't have much on my charts. Yep, Martin, I'm right. I'm kind of right there with you. Very similar. I mean, I have pivots on. I started throwing opening range for both the New York session and the Asia session on, but yeah, Kelly, I mean, at the end of the day, no matter what you're trading, we're all trading a form of support and resistance, right? Gold went nuts. What do you mean gold went nuts? Oh, it did. You don't just enter and walk away. It's a scalping system. Yeah, I've never been good with that. My brain just doesn't click quickly enough for that. Like I said, I had to find a strategy and a way for me to see the markets and to be able to capitalize on the markets that wasn't as fast moving as something like that. I mean, what do we do? What do we do with this, guys? What do we do with this price? Yeah, that's a $500 move with one contract, Vij, but what's telling you to buy here at these lows? You know, in my eyes. Like there's nothing there that would tell me to buy there. So really, how do you catch this upside move, you know? I'm not touching that. Yeah. I know. You really can't trade this. No pivot or whatever. It's just pumping because it can. I know it actually got below central pivot and then just completely recovered. Might be a short stream tonight, guys. If the market's going to do this all night. I mean, we'll see here in about 10 minutes. But it could be a short stream tonight. People are dropping off. We're under 100 viewers. Nowhere even remotely close. We got people unsubscribing. All right, can we finally get the flush out here? Maybe. Can I please wait until NQ sets up? I don't know, Vij. They either get bored or, I mean, we lost, let's see. We lost one since I last looked. We lost one sub. We had 11 to go to 3.4, so we lost somebody. I don't know, maybe they don't like me, you know? Now gold looks like it's in a shortable area. I'm not touching gold. I'm not touching gold. Oh, I know, Design Knob. I know. If I was one of the people that are copy trading, you know, a bunch of accounts just slinging around some size, losing a bunch of money, or posting really big numbers, it would be a different story for sure, for sure. But that's not how I'm gonna be. That's not, you know, the affiliate pushers of the world is what I call them. People just want to see full port crash and burns. I don't know. Maybe one of these streams, maybe what I should do is purchase a new eval and full port. Like just full port and evaluation. Just so we can have some entertainment and see some big numbers, whether it's red or green. Oh my goodness, Naz. Let's do something. I'm going to give it 5 minutes. Give me a second, guys. I'm going to go kick on this fan real quick. Yeah, Vij, you know, we're not... If you're talking about gold, I wouldn't short yet. It's been nothing but up. This could just be another stair step up. Throw on some lean hogs. Full port. I know. Yeah, we're kind of limited on what we can trade right now. All right, we only have a couple minutes till the new hourly candle starts printing. Let's see, ES is still. I'm not gonna lie, I'm half tempted to buy the bottom of the range here, but I know as soon as I do, yank. The yank will come in. Is anybody in a position right now on NQ? Or ES for that matter? Doug, you're short right now? Yeah, I'm leaning downside as well. Back into at least this area. Short gold now. Bad idea. Yeah. Rivki, you're short right now? Okay. I mean, I like this move. I think you can probably get, you know, 980 out of it. It just might take forever. Doug, watching football, no hurry. I know, I'm actually... What's on the TV right now? It looks like FBI press conference on the Charlie Kirk shooting is soon, I guess, is what it's saying on the television. Do we have news in the morning, by the way, guys? I haven't looked at Financial Juice. I think... Do we have anything crazy going on? Got Michigan sentiment. What's up, Indian Bird? How are ya? Michigan sentiment, and then really that's it. That's it. London session could be interesting. You got UK GDP. Oh my goodness. I kind of want to short this. I'm not going to lie. Probably late, though. probably late. I mean, Delta's been positive all night long. I haven't seen a single red print on Delta. We take opposite sides, WC. Yeah. Gold just killed the shorts. Doctor, you're short NQ from 24,020. That's a good entry. I think you, like I said, I think you could possibly get 980 out of it. I just don't know how long it's going to take to get down there. I mean, look at this shelf that's setting up right at 24K. NQ break and retest towards the downside. I mean, if you're looking at my levels, there's nothing really... $980 is kind of that level. Where, I mean, I don't know what... Let me look at this. Looks like maybe even 75. 975. So something like that. There's just nothing clean up here. Oh, Doctor, you're fine. It's got to get through the 200 period on the 1 minute in order for you to start worrying about your position. If you're short from above, yeah, I wouldn't even worry about that. Wow, we dropped under 100 viewers. Yeah, the markets aren't even moving around. We're 11 subs away from 3.4K. So if you're lurking in the background, let's try and get to 3.4K tonight. Let's try and get there. I realize the viewers are light, but if you're lurking in the background and hanging out and haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button for me. Man, 3.4K is a lot of people. I know, Savvy. It's so slow. Yeah, Indian Burn. Like, most people are probably done for the night, right? Like, this is impossible to trade. I guess gold traders are getting all the action is what it sounds like. I mean, it looks like gold wants to make the move up here to the 90s, maybe? No? Earlier, I thought we were heading down here. Order stacking up at 3680. They're just going to keep it in that range is what you're saying? Holy. I mean, we are in a 7-point range for the last, what is this? 30 minutes? A 7-point range on the Nasdaq in 30 minutes? That's as bad as I've seen. Can you guys imagine trading like, like early, I don't know, like even let's see here. Right? Like imagine trading futures back here. When your average daily range was like I mean, what are these moves? Like, what is this candle? You have a day that's in a 40-point range for the entire day. Can you imagine trading when price was back here? Like, we think it's bad right now. I know, RB. I know. Every time I've gone live recently, it's like... literally every time I go live, the market just dies on us and it doesn't move. It just goes sideways. It's just a slow market, but the stream is fun, Veach. Yeah. Oh, we're so close to 3.4K. So close. Hey, thanks for the sub, Nicholas. Appreciate you. Thanks for the sub, TS. Appreciate you. Literally every time I go live, guys, lately, the market just dies on me. It doesn't move. We're in a 7-point range for the last 30 minutes. 75-point total for the whole day. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we get 75-point moves in a second sometimes. in a second. Oh, we're so close. We're so close. We are 6 subscribers away from 3.4K, guys. 6 subs away. Let's see if we can get there tonight. Let's get there. Let's hit another milestone on this journey. Even on a slow market night. People still showing up, showing love and support. Like I said, I can't thank you all enough. The trailing stop is in profit on Gold Tux. Nice. I should long one gold micro just for funsies. Oh my goodness. You guys are crazy. Let's see what we got here. I mean, we're at... Jeez. I don't know if I... Dude, do I really want to... Do I really want to do this? Why are you guys doing this to me? Why? How am I talking? How are you guys talking me into this? How am I allowing this to happen? Oh gosh, why? I don't know if I want to do this, guys. I don't know if I want to trade gold. Come on for the stream. You guys are wild. Oh man, here we go. All right. Completely naked gold chart. All right, let's see. Don't fall. I know. Even a micro right now with it flying around the way that it is scary. I feel like I'm buying a top here. This is so dumb. 15 micros, nice opener. What a move, though. What a buy up. I know, Doctor. I know. I am conflicted. It's so dumb to do this. It's so dumb. I know nothing about gold or how it moves. And right now, if I take a long, I'm playing a breakout play, right? Pretty much. I mean, let me zoom out here. What am I looking at? I mean, what are we doing? I know gold is violent. I know. All right, let's see. We're at the top. I think we could at least get a pullback into 36.75. Let's try a short. Target, we'll go for like $30 is what we'll go for. All right, we're break even. I mean, it worked out, right? It worked out. That would have been a $200 trade at one point. Almost. So dumb. I mean, let's go, gold. Give the pullback. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's okay. I'm all right with it. Even if I get stopped out here, I'm okay with it. This is fun. This is so not fun. This is nerve-wracking. Are you kidding me? I know. I got influenced for this. You guys pulled me over into scalping gold. It's crazy. What are you guys doing? I mean, we definitely locked in a winner on this one, no matter what. So, might even get full target here. Nope, I'm out. All right, $17. We made $17 on that trade. We're making money. Oh, jeez. I'm over here trading gold. I never trade gold. Now subscribers will jump plus 1K tonight. Because I'm over here trading gold. Yeah. I'll leave that chart over there on a tab. So, all right, we are 5 subs away from 3.4K now. Still earning more than flipping burgers. Well, yeah, that was quick $17 for sure. That was a quick $17. That was instant profit too. I never saw any drawdown on the trade at all. I'm so quiet? What do you mean, Piter? What's up, Zen? How are you? Clip that gold trade and make it a short profit. I don't know if anybody's gonna watch a $17 trade on gold. I don't know how many views that would get. I mean, you guys would watch it. You'd give it a thumbs up and comment on it, right? Actually, that would be pretty funny. Like, act all excited about a $17 trade and put it out there. Piter, you made $77. Oh, nice, Zen. Nice. If I do it, I'll comment on 100%. Yeah. Oh, nice, Zen. Congrats. It's a very special trade. I know. Act all excited about a micro gold trade that I nailed for $17. Oh man. I mean, mini contracts though. That thing goes against you. Hey, what's up, Nicholas? It's like your first time. You'll never forget it. Oh, man. Oh, come on. We're so close. We're so close to 3.4. So close. If anyone is lurking in the background and wants to support the channel, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 3.4K tonight. Even on a slow night, that'd be amazing. Nicholas, sub. Thanks for the sub, Nicholas. Appreciate you. What's the play for tonight? Had to look at fib retracements. I mean, what was the move today? Let's see. So let's do something like CPI low to CPI. We'll go to the high day. Honestly, I think the 38.2, this 966 area is in line with a good pivot. I like this bounce for the move to all-time highs. Where are the Russian bots when you need them? Yeah, I know. Oh, no, Savvy, you're getting the feeling you need to hit some buttons? I feel like we need to see some more downside. The fact that we couldn't push all-time highs during regular trading hours leads me to believe there's not enough buying pressure yet to push us through that level. You got the pivot sitting down here. I've got support at 975. I mean, really anywhere from 80 to 75. Well, I tell you what, I'll move it back up to 980. That's where I got the long from today. And we'll just leave it there. But really, it's this 75 level that I'd be watching. The top of this wick. And it holding a support here. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and move this down. And then what I would be looking for on this move, I'd be looking for it to come down. Kind of wick central pivot here. Bounce above and reclaim at 975 for the long to all-time highs. That's what I would be looking for. That would be an ideal move for me. Man, the music is just not working tonight, is it? Let's give a little refresh here. All right, is the music working now, guys? Let me know in the chat. Oh, yeah, there's another Savvy. Yeah. Yeah, Lance, it's just choppy price action. Like, I think it's downside, but I think it's going to be really slow downside, unfortunately. So, I don't... You're more worried about explaining it to your wife, losing money in the stock market? Nicholas, I would say the best way to go about it, if you're trying to be a trader, is A, learn about futures contracts. They're probably the easiest to understand. Secondly would be to practice trading for a while to make sure your strategy is profitable. Third would be trying to get accounts with a prop firm so that you're not losing thousands of dollars. You know, you're only spending, you know, $100 to $200 for an account that gives you $2,000 of leverage, and go from there. That's what I would do. Where's the girl singing about how she doesn't want or need your love? Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, the music, guys, is just a copyright-free music database that we have a subscription to. And I don't actually hear the music on my end. I don't have headphones in or anything like that. So I never know what you guys hear on your end. I just kind of hit play and let it go. Oh yeah, design up and don't trade NQ. Yeah, I would definitely start on symbols like YM or ES if I was beginning again. Oh, cheers, Nicholas. Cheers. Good luck on your journey. We got traders of all levels here in the community, so you're more than welcome to join each night. Like I said, I live stream during the overnight session. Overnight for us in the US. Starting at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard. So it would be early in the morning your time if you're in Paris. But come hang out if you're awake. And don't be afraid to ask questions either. I'll answer the questions that I know, but chances are somebody in our chat will know the answer to any question that you have as well. Most here are willing to help wherever they can. Oh, guys, I don't know if it's going to happen. We had that surge. And we've been stuck on 33.95 for a little bit now. We had that surge of subs, and now we're 5 shy. How about a Paris invite? Whew, glad I got out of that short on gold, huh? Pretty much caught the one leg down. Thanks, doctor. Oil is in the gold club. Let's see what CL's doing. Oh, yeah. Jeez. Like, imagine you tried to buy this. Right? You saw this one little green candle print here. Yeah, Kelly, thanks. I mean, my technical analysis is going to be good on any chart for the most part. You know, it doesn't really matter what symbol you're trading. Technical analysis is technical analysis. Levels are levels. You know, as long as you learn about supply, demand, support, resistance, you know, those kind of things, you're never going to be steered wrong. You know where previous day highs and lows are. Those, you know, those major levels. Oh, 100%, Martin. That's why I'm most comfortable on NQ. Right? Like, I trade it all the time. I know when to get out of trades normally. And really, that's what trading is. Learn how to be the best loser, really. You know, how to cut your losses short and know when you're wrong relatively quickly. Oh, Harrison, it's in a Glizzy's. Oh, you have the indicator on a gold chart? How do you like it on gold? Oh, cheers, Nicholas. Yeah, you're welcome. Chat, you want to give him some recommendations on good trading books? Best Loser Wins would be one that I would recommend. What, Kelly? You made $1,130 tonight? That's wild. On gold, though, right? Like you were trading gold the majority of the night? Trading in the zone. Yeah, I've heard trading in the zone is good. I've never read it myself, but I've heard it's good. Reminiscence of a stock operator. Markets in profile. All right, it looks like Reminiscence of a Stock Operator is recommended. Everybody's been talking about it a couple times tonight. It's been mentioned a couple times. But there's a few recommendations there, Nicholas, for sure. Hey, thanks for the sub, MX Crypto. Appreciate you. The Disciplined Trader by Mark Douglas. Yeah, I've heard of that one too. Yeah, Kevin. Double day. Double session today. Double session streams today. We are Iron Manning it. I don't know how the guys do it that do those like 24-hour streams or longer than that. That's got to be so exhausting. Cooking. I don't know about cooking. I did just take a gold trade though, Kevin. I did just take a gold trade. Nice little gold short. Oh, we're so close. We're so close to 3.4K subs. Let's get there. 5 people. If you're lurking in the background and want to support the channel, we got 5 more subs to go to 3.4K. Let's get there. I guess we still got time. Oh yeah, Kevin. Yeah, if you're up that amount of money, I would say shut it down. The markets really aren't moving right now. I think it's a breakdown when we do get the move. But I also know I'm going to try to short this, and it's going to stay in the range and reverse all the way back to the top. No, James, nothing on NQ. I haven't taken any trades on NQ tonight. Just one on micro gold. Oh, good luck, Kelly. Good luck. Oh, Kelly, tomorrow is Friday. No stream tomorrow night. Markets are closed. Markets are closed, so you enjoy your weekend. Oh, thanks, Kevin. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for dropping the thumbs up. I appreciate you. Yeah, guys, if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could for the YouTube algorithm. I'd appreciate it. DeMonte, it's glitching out. So instead of looking at it right now with it spazzing out every 2 seconds, I'm just looking at a delta footprint chart. Yeah, cheers, Kelly. In fact, let me take a quick look here. All right, so there's a block down here at 920. I'm not sure if it wants to come all the way down there. I suppose it could. But we also got those blocks sitting all the way up at 150, 160. I think that's probably a topside target. But those have been there all week, by the way. These 2 blocks up here, they've been there all week long. Oh, we're only 4 subs away from 3.4. Let's get there. Let's go. Man, who called 684.6? Who was that? On gold. It was Kelly. Kelly called 84.6. What was the top on this gold move? 84.8. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good call. That's knowing your symbol. That's knowing the ticker. Bumped. Holy guys, NQ is just a dud. Just a dud. Gold's kind of in the middle of nowhere for me. I would pop over there and put a trade on, but I think it needs to go a little bit higher. I think the next like really area what I would be interested in is like up around 688, 687.7. So a little bit higher. Take along in silver, Sedge? Oh man, I've heard silver's even worse than gold. I struggle on gold. Man, you guys are getting me to trade crazy things tonight. Nat Gas. Does Nat Gas have micro contracts? Let me see. What's the symbol for Nat Gas on micros? It won't change much. Oh, Nat Gas won't move. MNG. All right, let's look at oh gosh, look at silver. Jeez, dude. What's the tick value on silver? Out of curiosity. I mean, it's ripping, guys. Silver is ripping. Look at this chart. This is a 1 minute chart. I mean, it's ripping. Like, absolutely to the moon. One tick is $25 on silver. Oh my goodness. And what's a tick? Every 5. So every 5 points. I mean, look at this. This is just tonight. This is a 1 minute chart. Absolutely ripping. Yikes. Yeah, I want nothing to do with that. I mean, that's crazy. That is crazy. I mean, it's still ripping, even since I moved it over there. It has gone since, okay, in the last hour, it has gone from 41,945 to 42,500. And you're saying that every 5 point move is 120 or $25? Hey, what's good, Patrick? How are ya? Gold is looking pretty tame by comparison. Yeah, I mean, what is that? That's a 550 point move. And it moves in increments of 5. Patrick, it's hype. It's hype. It's 2 a.m. and you took gold longs. Yeah. Yeah, so, okay. So a 10 point move is $50, Pieter. And it's moved 550. In the last hour? Okay, that's crazy. Someone just made a bunch of money on silver, though. Somebody just made a ton of money on silver. CJ Gold is moving tonight, securing money. Yeah, we took a micro gold trade earlier. A little scalp. A little scalp. It hasn't got up to any kind of sell area for me, though. I think you're kind of running into that spot where it could roll over a little bit. Slap on an EK. $25 a tick. Patrick, you might kiss the screen right now. How much you up, Patrick? Oh, I see you, Pioneer. I see you. I mean, really, the index to trade today, guys, was the YM. I'll be honest with you. Like, this was the Dow Jones today. Oops, accidental caps. Yeah, $2,000 tonight on gold, Patrick. That's great. That's great. Yeah, YM was definitely the index to trade today. I mean, that's a massive move. So at this point on YM, I would kind of want to pull back into 45.8, 800 to 840 for the bounce. Yeah, design knob. RTY pumped to all-time highs as well, didn't it? This is RTY over here. Yeah, I mean, it moved pretty well. YM is now the YN. G-Bandit, you need NQ to bounce. NQ has been dead. Have I got measured move on my left click on the chart? I got to move on the right click. I think we're G-Bandit. I think we're going down. I think it's going to drop out. It just might be really slow on NQ. NQ's kind of been lagging behind the other indexes. Like, it hasn't been really the index to trade lately. Even when the ES was pumping new all-time highs today, the Nas just couldn't get there. Really struggled today. Just shy of all-time highs. You're going to trade Platinum Limitless? Oh, man. NQ has ED. Oh, man. If we can get gold up into what is this? What did I say? 36, 87, 88, somewhere in there. I'm not opposed to trying another short on gold. I'm not opposed. Needs to get there though. Oh, we're 3 subs away, guys. We are 3 subs away from 3.4. We're getting there. We're real close. Real close. What's the silver chart show? The silver... Martin. The silver chart shows this. Nothing but straight up. I don't know what you're gonna do with silver. I don't know what you're gonna do at this point. You're left behind on silver. Patrick sub. Yeah, I've got nothing. I don't know why it's going up so much. I have no idea. No clue why silver's going up so much. Buy more, duh. Oh, man. Yeah, like I said, thanks for the sub, G-Bandit. Appreciate you. Set it and forget about your account because it may not be there anymore. Oh, man. Full port Fridays, or you're doing it wrong. No, that is wrong. No. I'm not gonna lie to you. Historically, Fridays are my worst trading day. They are my worst trading day. On Fridays, I try to only be at my screens for about an hour, and then I try to be done trading. I don't know why I always end up with a red day on Fridays, but historically, that is my worst trading day. You guys are wild. Like, look at that. Look at what silver just did. Right? You said it's how much? So it's $25 every 5 points. It literally just dumped over 100 points in like 2 seconds. Yeah, no thanks. No thanks. On gold, what level was I looking at? It didn't quite get there. I'm looking at around 688, somewhere around there. For a little pullback. I'm glad you didn't tell anyone to buy Limitless. I'm not going to lie, guys. The entire stream, we have been in a 20-point range on the Nas. 20, yeah, like 22 points. The entire time we've been on stream. So, over 2 hours now. 22-point range on the Nas. Yeah, Mr. Crick, I know. I know. It's a snoozer. Holy cow. And then silver just jumped back up 100 points. Okay, this is outrageous. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, these are 1-minute candles, guys. Look at this thing rip. I mean, what is going on? Is there like something going on? Like, why is silver just moonshotting? What's the spread? I don't know, Mystic Rick. I have no idea what the spread is on silver right now. This is nuts. Okay, so we'll go from 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock p.m. till current time. So not even an hour. And we're looking at 142 ticks. And you said it's $25 a tick? $25 a tick, 142 ticks. So we got 25 times 142. One silver contract, $3,550 in less than an hour. $3,550 on one contract in less than an hour during the overnight session during globex. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, design. But I mean, really? When are you going to get out on this whole move? I mean, maybe this dip, but there's no new like lower low really. Maybe here. I mean, maybe. Look at it. It's ripping. Like it is straight ripping. That number is now gone. If you got in at the lows, if you got in at the lows from tonight, which is right here, and you held to the top currently, that is now 168 ticks. So 168 times 25. That's now $4,200 that you just made. You just made another $700 in that time that we were talking about it. And there's another 100-point pullback. I mean, what are we doing? Moves like this in silver is just called Thursday, Dr. Zay? Really? Silver moves like that? I don't know. I don't know. I don't see anything remotely close to that move. And that's only looking back 3 days, obviously. August 29th. Here, let me go to a little higher time frame. Let me get a little better look at this. We'll go back a year. Holy gap. I mean, that is a gap and go. That is a gap and go. Oh, I know, doctor. I know, doctor. Doctor say I mean, that's crazy. That is a crazy move. This little stretch right here, like if you caught this one move, I mean, these are 15-minute candles now. These aren't 1-minute candles, right? So you're holding from the 29th. You're holding overnight. Or no, that's the end of the that's middle of the session. So what are we looking at? We're looking at like 8:30 in the morning until, so over a 4-hour stretch. $306 ticks. And the current move is $173. So you gotta add a whole nother. Oh my goodness. Yikes. I don't know if you could trade silver. Like, I don't know if you could do it. Oh man, guys. We're so close. If you're lurking in the background and want to support the channel, 3 more of you, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 3.4K. Let's get to 3.4K tonight. We can do it. We can do it. I know we can. I have faith. Golly. There had to have been some news, right? Oh, only 2 more subs to go. Only 2 more to go now. Yeah, $7,650 in 4 hours. I mean, that's wild. Imagine if you had held this whole time, right? That's only 2 weeks. What was the price at there? Okay, so do me a favor. Let me find where that gap was. What did we say? August 29th? Okay, so say you were holding... Wow, even right before that gap, there was a huge move. But say you longed the gap, right? So 38... Or no, 39,135 to 42,630. So 3,500 points. Oh my goodness, I can't even. All right, someone quick, do the math. 716 ticks on silver. 716 times 25. Someone quick, do the math. 716 times 25. $14,525 in like 11 days. 14,525. That's a pretty good trade. Although I can't really talk. I did have a recent swing position on my personal account on NQ from 22,800 that I locked in 26K on in like a couple days. So I can't really talk. But that was on 2 minis. That was 2 mini contracts. Yeah, Zen, it was pretty nice. It's the biggest trade I've ever had. Biggest trade I ever had. And I probably could have got more out of it had I not trailed on my runner. But there was one massive down day in there that literally took me out of the swing position. But it should have been like a $60,000 trade. I'm not going to lie. Best trade I've ever had. It's time to reverse mortgage the house and go all in on silver. I mean, it is flying. Limitless, 2 minis. I had 2 minis on. Two minis long from 22,800. The first contract I took off at 23.5, and then the second one got stopped out at just below 23,380. It was like 3 days, Dr. Zay. Like 2.5 days. Limitless, it was on NQ. It was on the Nasdaq. Oh man, 2 subscribers away. Yeah, I mean, it was a major key level. Like, this is kind of what I wait for on like swing positions, right? This is 22,800. This is 22,800. You can see buyers have been stepping up repeatedly. And when I saw this big sell-off back into it, I knew we would at least get some retracement on this much downside. And so I got long. Held through this pullback. Got out at 22.5 on the first contract up here. And then this moved down. This down day. So I actually was up even more than what I had on the runner. But this move down right here snagged me just below 380 and then boosted. I was furious. I was furious, guys. I mean, look at this. I would still, I might even, no, I wouldn't have been still in it. It would have came down and got me. But yeah, it should have been a huge trade. Edge clear, Zen. I trade with edge clear. All right. Just scalp silver for $400. I know. It's funny that that's like a scalp, right? Honestly, Zen, they're a little pricey as far as their commissions and stuff like that goes, and the margin requirements, but their customer service is top tier. Like, it is second to none. Oh no, limitless. Don't screenshot curse yourself. I see your DM. It's terrifying seeing the $25 moves. I mean, silver's still hanging up there. Like, it is still hanging out near the highs. The 15-minute is, I mean, it is a rocket ship right now. Absolute rocket ship. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, man, we had 2 people unsubscribe. We just lost 2 subs. Dang, we were so close, guys. We were so close. So close to 3.4 and 2 people unsubscribed. I don't know if it's going to happen tonight. I've had more people unsub during the stream than than ever. Oh, we just picked up another sub. If you're lurking in the background and want to support the channel, we're trying to get to 3.4K. We just need 3 more subs. CJ's like, subscribe. Yeah, guys, hit that sub button. Also, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could. No, Julio, it's not going to help if you unsub and resub. Zen says the same thing. No, Zen, it doesn't help. Oh, nice how-to videos. Nice. Up 2,171 with gold in the morning and silver this evening. That's massive. That's a great day. Congrats. Oh, we're back within 2. We are back within two subscribers to go. Come on, let's get us there. I know there's 2 of you lurking out there that want to support the channel. Or even if you don't want to support the channel, just let me have this satisfaction. Let me have this little win. Yeah, limitless. I mean, looking at silver tonight, I couldn't believe what I was looking at when I first pulled up the chart. I could not believe what I was seeing. That's an unreal move. You might unsub because I'm wearing a Lions hat. Yeah, it's tough being a Lions fan, CJ. It's rough out here. I mean, we don't ever win. We've had some good seasons recently, but we still can't win big games, you know? It's just the same old story. We just lost another sub. We're never gonna get there. You're a Chiefs fan? Yeah, CJ, at least you've had a dynasty run, you know? The Lions have never been to a Super Bowl, my friend. Yeah, Scotty, if you're holding overnight over the weekend, it requires quite a bit in your trading account. The giveaways will get me there. I don't know, CJ. I've been watching the Lions a long time. Yeah, I don't know what the exact margin requirements are, Scotty. EdgeClear, I feel like I get an email every day, literally every day, that says margin requirements have changed. So they're always varying, but I think the standard is somewhere around like 29,000 per mini contract to hold overnight. Hey, thanks for the sub, Colin. Appreciate you. Oh, guys, we did it. Guys, we did it. 3.4K. Colin, I think you were number 3.4K. Amazing. Zen, you just logged into 2 additional accounts to give me 3 subs and likes. Let's all join in. Oh man, I wonder how many alt accounts. I wonder how many multiple subs I have from you guys. Colin's one of your other accounts, then. All right. Oh man, I appreciate you. Thanks, brother. Yeah, I mean 3.4K is a lot of that's a lot of subscribers. That's a lot of subscribers. Now call and let them know we need 3688 on gold. Oh, I know. Has it still not got there yet? Oh, it did get there. At least micro gold got there. I wasn't paying attention. Dang it. Dang it. And it gave a nice little like $3 pullback. Or 3-point pullback. Thanks, Zen. Appreciate you. Yeah, I mean, I'm always overwhelmed when we hit these milestones. Like I said, guys, you know, 3 months ago we were sitting on 600 subscribers. Like, you guys are what make this channel amazing. You guys are the reason why everything is happening on my channel as well. So, like I said, I can't thank you all enough. Like, I'm one of you. I'm an average dude. And I realize it's very small and probably seems cheesy to some people, you know, that I'm celebrating 3.4K subs, but it seems like there's so much hard work that goes into producing content and live streaming, you know, 3 hours every night. You just subbed on your alt too. Yeah, CJ, it happens, man. I definitely get all in my feelers from time to time. I definitely do. 100%. I can't even imagine how I'm gonna feel at like 10K subs if we ever get there. You know, I have no. I definitely get all in my feelers. Yeah, Lance. Actually, it was less than that. It was like when we moved to globex and started streaming during the globex session. We had like just over 600 subs, I think, 3 months ago. In fact, here, let's see. Let's see what the growth curve looks like. Let me see here. All right, so this is what my growth curve looks like. June 13th, we had 800 subscribers. Yeah, I mean, it's been relatively quick. Relatively quick. Like I said, I can't thank you all enough. It's been an unreal ride that we've been on. Unreal. Oh, 100% Zen. 100%. There's a music venue in your city, Martin, that I'd fill with that many people for context. Yeah, I mean, obviously we don't have that many people tuned in every night. Yeah, Lance, I definitely had under 1,000 not long ago. A few months ago. I was under 1,000. You didn't see it at 56.88? Looking on the 1 minute. It got to 56.88.6. Let's see if MGC matches. Yeah, it got there as well on the full mini as well. The high in gold is 3388.4. I mean, this is gold right here. 3687.6 right now. Oh, there you go, CJ. All right. All right. There we go. I was like 33. Whoa. I was like, are my eyes that bad? You had me questioning my vision for a minute. No, Wes, you need your glasses. I mean, they're right here. Yeah, Knox, that was my buy price earlier today, actually, on NQ. Like I said, I think this is the move. Maybe even 975. If you go back to the silver well just one more time, you'll be behind the Wendy's dumpster in a heartbeat. I mean, is it still ripping? It's just kind of holding up near the highs. And Q's kind of just slowly rolling down. Hey, thanks for the stub, Star the Candy Queen. Are these all alt accounts, guys? Man, silver is just... That's a crazy move. That is straight up. It even looks worse on a 15-minute. Right? Like, look at this move tonight. I mean, just relentless. So 975 TB for the next 6 hours. I mean, I think, don't get me wrong. I think if it does come down here, what you'll probably see is a sweep below to the central pivot here at 967 and then a bounce back up towards 24K. And then probably what'll happen is it'll probably chop 24K here until London session is what I'm going to guess. If I had to best guess what was going to happen over the next few hours, that's probably it. With how slow it is and how little volume there is, I think that's probably it. It probably just slowly works its way down here. Gives a little wick and reclaim action here at 975. And then pumps back into 24K and just does one of these chop things here. Between 24K and 24,020. If I had to guess. Man, the music's off again. You guys didn't let me know? Why didn't you let me know? Next thing you know, you're behind the dumpster working late nights. I mean, you guys got bigger cojones than me trading these metals, man. Silver and gold. I've heard copper's kind of crazy too. I've heard trading copper is wild. Nice, Team Massive. Nice. Nice. You were nervous. Oh, I bet you were nervous. I bet you were nervous. I mean, dude, looking at silver, that's a lot of money tonight that was made in a very short period of time. A lot of money. Design. I'm not sure what the 30-year bond is. Tick value wise. Just pump you up 5 points and you'll get out, G-Bandit. Oh no. Are you still holding that long? Three minis at 24,004, 24,002. Oh boy. What is best, to add for long-term hold or wait for pullback? Are you talking like for putting into like a portfolio? Like, if you're looking to invest, I would wait for a serious pullback on this market. You don't want to be putting in money in long-term near all-time highs on all the indexes. Oh, silver? Oh, you definitely want to wait for a pullback on silver. At least I think so. If you're asking me, it has been straight up. Team Massive, I have a hard time shorting this market near all-time highs anyway, no matter what the position is. What I would do is I would wait for this area to get traded and see if it holds as support for a long position. That would be my recommendation. Like your risk to reward trade here, that's the better value, is the long from here rather than shorting into this level, if you ask me. You can buy indexes when you hear in the news that the circuit breaker has been hit. Yeah, Vij. I mean, the last time I did a major dump into my IRA was at 17K on the NAS. But I will wait till it pulls back even more. I will wait till it pulls back even more. All right, we got about 120 people in here. Thanks for hanging out tonight, guys. Like I said, if you are lurking in the background, want to support the channel, hit that subscribe button for me. We just went over 3.4K subs tonight. Like I said, I can't thank you all enough. Also, if you haven't yet, smash that thumbs up button for me if you could for the YouTube algo. It looks like we're working our way back down here. I just feel like it's going to take forever. I don't think we're going to get any of those like snap actions that we normally see during globex. During the overnight session. It's just been extremely slow. We were able to kind of predict what was going to happen, but it's just been so slow on the NAS. Guess I should have just been micro silver long tonight, huh? Oh, it's painful, guys. It's painful. I think I'm going to wrap it up there for tonight. Oh, gold finally sold off from that 36.90 area. A little bit. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap it up there. That's almost, we're going on what? Over 5 hours of streaming today. It's a long time to be in front of a camera. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight, guys. I appreciate you. Like I said, 3.4K. What a milestone. On our road to 4K subs. On our road to 4K subs. Don't know how long it'll take to get there, but I'm excited. I'm excited. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me tonight, guys. All of you that are new here, thanks for subscribing. If you're with any of the props, you can use code WES, all caps, at most of the props for the best available discount if you're interested in purchasing an evaluation or a combine or a test. Like I said, I do live stream every globex session starting at 7:45 p.m. Eastern, Sunday through Thursday. Come hang out. We do have a free trading Discord called Level Up. Link in the description down below the video. No course sales, no mentorship programs, no signal services. Just a nice chill place to hang out. Guys, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the rest of the night. And I will see you all on Sunday evening. Peace.